Welcome to Fit Mamma Mia Cooking. Today's recipe is Singapore fried Mee Siam. This is all my ingredients. This is chopped garlic, blended onion, blended dried chili. It's a fresh prawn, fresh sliced squid, sliced beef, and this my vegetables, beansprout, and the rice noodle, local called mee hoon. And this is sprinkle leaves, local called kochai. Let's start cooking. First, I'm going to put the oil. Add in the garlic. Now I add in the blended onion. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons. Okay, I add in the blended dried chili, also 2 tablespoons. Okay, now I add in pink salt. I can use the white salt, so I'm using pink salt, Himalayas pink salt. So this is my secret. Put a bit of raw sugar, half teaspoon. The chili is already cooked, so I add in the sliced beef. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to add in the prawn, fish prawn. Also the fresh squid. So now I'm going to add in the rice noodle, bihun. Okay, I'm going to add in a little bit of hot water. This is dry a little bit. See my bihun, the color of the noodles. Nice. Maybe a little bit more water. For the rice noodle to cook, a little bit more water. enough salt or not. Let's try a little bit. Okay, that's enough salt. So now I'm going to add in the beansprout. It's the last part, okay? This one side. And for the beansprout, I'm going to put a little bit of light sauce. Beansprout. Okay. Just a bit. Because the light sauce is salty. Okay. So now I'm going to cover with a beetroot. Just for a while. Okay, that's it. I will off the fire because I don't want to overcook my beansprout. See, I want to. Okay, it's already off the fire, so it's done. My Mee Siam is done. This is my Singapore Mee Siam. So I'm going to prepare and let's eat. Before I'm going to eat my Mee Siam, I will add in the sprinkle leaves, daun kuchai. Okay. And I add in the fried tofu. This is an additional, guys. Okay. And I would like to add in 1 egg. Let's try. Yummy, very delicious. This one must try my recipe. Okay, if you like my recipe, please like, comment and subscribe. See you soon again. Bye.